these days, because of the advances, like I told you, the girl, if she has a cancer at an early age, she can still become pregnant after some time. They are given certain time limits. After chemotherapy, certain months have to go, year have to be go, and then the oncologist will guide you how it is to be done, because they can still get conceive and have a normal pregnancy, and they can conceive. Treatment is so good now. Early, if we get a lot of early diagnosis, the treatment is earlier, the lump is removed. Sometimes chemo is not needed. If chemo is given, if the during the chemo time they may not get menses, but the menses restart after certain months, and after some time they can conceive normally. So that is a blessing, because it can be done. So you should not get so scared. Previously they used to harvest the eggs from the lady before the chemo starts. That is still done sometimes, but if early diagnosis is there and the girl is very young, she can still become pregnant after chemo is stopped. After certain months the menstruation will start, and she can get a normal pregnancy and conceive normally and deliver a baby normally. So that is a very good thing. But again, we have to come to early diagnosis. That is the main crux of the thing. Is you should, whenever you have a doubt, please go to your doctor. Never sit on a lump anywhere in the body, specifically the breast. And self breast examination still remains the main thing. And then comes the mammography and sonography and whatever we do. The treatment part is later. So fertility, like if the cancer is caught on time, if the girl is very young, we can give the treatment. Like I said, we can do a lumpectomy if the lump is small. So early detection is very important. And after the treatment, if suppose radiation is needed or a chemo is also needed, if she's not getting menses, the menses are resumed after certain months of the chemo, after the chemo is stopped. So she can conceive normally and deliver a baby normally. So it is not that after cancer you are not going to get a baby, or you cannot conceive, or you will not become pregnant. With the recent advances, the treatment which are available, there are many things available. So you need proper guidance at the proper time, and your life can be totally normal. This is the message which should be given to the young girls who are there, who should examine their breast regularly. Self breast examination again takes the cake, because we have to do that. We have to keep harping on the same thing. Okay, please examine your breast regularly, religiously. Your doctor has to examine you. Then you, if need be, we go in for a sonography. So fertility is not a problem these days, unless you are older generation, like you're 30, 35, then sometimes the egg harvesting is done now also. So if that is needed, that can also be done, and then the pregnancy can come. But then early diagnosis, if it is there, we don't have to go through all those painful cycle of harvesting the egg, then taking the hormones. It is a big cycle. So it is again a mental trauma. First is the cancer trauma, and then is the harvesting trauma, and then the pregnancy trauma. So it all comes to the thing that the girl becomes depressed, anxiety, stress, and everything. All these things again leads to more stress hormones, which is not good for the breast part. So best is don't panic, do the examination, go ahead with the treatment, and take help when help is available. Please ask for help. Don't feel shy. If there is a disease, cancer is a disease. So please don't be shy. When the doctor tells you this has to be done, there are self-help groups. We have onco psychologists. We have groups like Zen Onco, which is there here for you all. Please take help. Call them. You get numbers below. You get Facebook pages and everything. So please take help. Everybody is there to help you, and you can conquer the disease. You can be a survivor. You can be a fighter. You don't need to give up, because the world is moving ahead for all the types of cancer. Treatment is available. Only thing is you have to take that step ahead. You have your friends, families, everybody is there to help you. Even if there is nobody to help you, you have other people who don't know you, they will help you if you ask for help. So please don't feel shy. It is very important to take care of our health, because till the time we don't love ourselves, we cannot face the disease. So if you have to take the disease, face the fear, there is no fear. Open the door and see the fear. Okay, it is there. What can be done about it? I will take that step. If you decide that, it can be done. And we are there for you. All of us are there for everybody who needs help. Please, you are not alone. This is a message which comes from me as well as the Zen Onco, plus everyone in Zen Onco, which I am really grateful to be got this platform to talk about it. Please, girls, ladies, everybody, take care of yourself.